Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, October 24th. The Zen story for today is titled Where Stillness Was Stared Down. The monk opened the door before sunrise, expecting the hush of the clearing, the soft rustle of the leaves, maybe the ghost of a breeze passing through the trees. Instead, the fox was sitting on the porch. Its body was small, more shadow than shape in the gray light, but its eyes, those were not morning eyes. They were deep, alert, glinting with a kind of stillness that didn't belong to the forest. For a moment, the monk felt nothing. No fear, no surprise. Only the simple registering of what stood before him. He straightened his spine, folded his hands. He had sat with thunder. He had breathed through pain. He had endured silence for weeks without breaking, lessons carved in the temple where masters taught the mind to hold steady. A fox, even a bold one, could not disturb him. But the fox didn't move. It simply watched him as if it had been waiting for this exact hour, this exact light, this exact monk in this exact doorway. Its ears flicked once, its tail curled neatly beside its paws. The monk held the gaze. Then a flicker, not in the fox, in him. Something unsettled began to rise. Not fear, not quite. A tightening in the chest, like the breath was still flowing but not fully reaching the lungs. The fox's gaze didn't waver. If anything, it deepened, playful, bright, and utterly unreadable. The monk exhaled longer than necessary. He found himself shifting slightly in place, his fingers no longer folded but curling around each other. The silence no longer felt serene. It was taut, coiled like string around something invisible. The fox tilted its head. The monk took a step forward, and in a blink, the fox was gone, a faint rustle fading into the trees. No scurry. The monk stood alone, in the soft blue hush of dawn, heart louder than it should have been. He turned back into the cabin, and there, arranged in a perfect line across the floor, a single black feather, a patch of red fur, a half-eaten apple, and just beside them, pressed into the smooth dust of the floorboards, a paw print, a signature, nothing more, nothing less. From the forest's edge, a villager paused, gathering wood, her eyes catching the cabin's open door, where traces lay like an offering, left by a fox she'd never see. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What do you do when you think you're strong enough to handle anything, and yet something still unsettles you? What do you do when you think you're strong enough to handle anything, and yet something still unsettles you? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What do you tend to do when you think you're strong enough to handle anything, and yet something still unsettles you? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.